What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. It's about to get cold, planting partners. So we're here in the middle of the map. It's about to bottom out. Down like 29 degrees or something, so we gotta take care of some business today. So first up, we got these beautiful Brugmansias, devil's trumpets, whatever you want to call them. And we got to get some cuttings off of these. So again, let y'all see these beautiful flowers. And this is not going to survive the freeze. So while I do have some seeds, I am going to go ahead and take some cuttings real quick. Again, this is the cousin to the angel trumpet. You might see my man Led with him, my man Turf. But yeah, this is a cousin to him. So go ahead and get some cuttings and I'll be right back with you. Actually, now let me go ahead and show y'all. So how this is all turning. And then it gets really woody down here. I want to take these and cut them. So I'm going to cut them like this. Hope y'all can still see. Alright, then from here, take these cuttings, and then we'll cut them about every 6 to 8 inches. And we'll cut them right underneath a bud node right here. See, these are even starting to still want to sprout, but they won't make it. So every about 6, I could probably get 1 or 2 out of this. Good ones. I could probably take a few little soft ones up, or smaller ones up here. Of course, I got the other ones over here. So that's the plan for today. Even the dogs are out here crying. You hear them? Yep, they sad too. We got the smaller one here. Gonna do the same thing. See how it starts to get really woody there. And then we've got some darker. Like, see darker wood there? Same thing. Alright. Here is an update on the hand pollinated kumquats that y'all saw me start earlier this year. But look at them now. These things are very good size. We still have more and more coming. Need to fertilize them a little bit more, even though it's starting to get a little cold. Well, it's about to freeze. But you see some of these leaves here. Sorry, I can't see too well, so if that's blurry, I do apologize. There you go. So this is what we got from the hand pollination on the kumquats. Haha. Look where it went. Hold on, y'all. There it is. This thing blurry than a mug. Hold on. Can y'all see that? It's a little strawberry. This is one of my winter sown strawberries. So, sorry about that. Yep. Good. We got a spider plant here. starting to put off a stem of babies. And we've got the purple wandering, purple queen, purple heart. It'll be having to come in tonight too. Absolutely beautiful though, man. This is beautiful. And this right here is for the people that have been rocking with me since the beginning, for a few years now. This is the Valencia orange tree, grown from seed. This thing has gotten huge. And so have the thorns on it as well, as you can see. Oh, but that's nothing. Yeah, that's serious right there. There goes some of the Thailand giant elephant ears that are remaining, that have made it so far. Let me just show y'all how big these are. There's my hand, even if I put it up here. I got my hands all over you. Alright, just kidding. Yeah, those are pretty major. Here is some lavender grown from seed. I think I'm gonna make some essential oil or something out of this. Or I got somebody in mind that might be able to make some. But yeah, there's that. Oh, let me tell you what we got out here in the middle of the map. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. We got pickly pear cactus fruit. Yep. And we gotta figure out how we're gonna get this monstrosity inside. This is the Veinte Cohol. Most people have watched this produce all season long. And no pups. It slowed down a while ago because the cool weather got to it. But we got some really small ones off of it though, actually. So we're trying to let those grow and get them where they need to be. I got a couple of people that ordered and a couple of people we need to get these sent out to, so we haven't forgot y'all. Still got the banana funk juice popping. The only thing about cold weather that keeps that funk smell. Okay, I lied. Never mind. I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. Ugh. It stinks still. That's good though. And here is a little part 2 update of the seeds that I sowed a while back. They haven't made it very far because when I sold them, we had a nice cool down, and then like a day or two later, it was back in the 90s. But here's the lettuce seed that I took straight out of the seed pods. I sprinkled them in here. This is the Bronze Beauty. This right here is butter crunch. This is some Swiss chard. Over here I had some random seeds, and it turned out to be purple lady bok choy. Still got these huge, beautiful zinnias coming on. They still want to grow and give, so that's why I want to give these two. And I had transplanted some red Russian kale in here. What's good, family? It's the kid. Yo, I'm here giving you an exclusive look at one of the brand new tees that my man Rod Enterprises is putting out right now. I know we hear about that Black Lives Matter, but it's kind of the rope-a-dope. The truth is, Black people matter. You gotta value the people and you value the life. This is an exclusive Black-owned businesses. We got these available now. Holla at me if you want one. Holidays are here, so you know we had to get that mint gang popping. Most of these we've sold, but this right here is orange mint. Nice and full, luscious. You can actually just smell the mint just straight off the leaves without having to rub them or anything. Time for some good teas and cocktails. Coleus that we grew just from a simple cutting. And it's got huge. It'll be coming in tonight. But yeah, here's some smaller versions of it. And pretty much last but not least, at least for tonight, we have got to bring the young buck in. This is the Dwarf Cavendish. See, it's still pushing out what they call the cigar leaf right here. And separation. Remember, I was talking about the mother plant and the pups, the separation anxiety. They gone, and we went deep too. So this is still a little bit loose, which is actually kind of good. I think what I may do is go ahead and pull this out and repot it into something a little bit smaller. Use it as a house plant. Let the roots get reestablished in there and grow on. So just kind of an update of some of the things we got to do. We got a lot of plants and stuff. A lot of ornamental shrubs, landscaping. We've got Weigela, Red Prince Weigela. We've got, let's see here. Hold on. Rose of Sharon, Morning Star, Blushing Bride. We've got some Glossia. And yeah, we've got some witch hazel, some tomatoes that will not make it, some stevia, and then we just tried a little bit of random radish up in here. They're doing okay. They can handle some cold weather. We've got some dapple willow, more little strawberry plants. These were all winter sown. Oh, this one got them feet. Oh, it's not quite ready. But yeah, we got oh, hold on. Yeah, we still got strawberries up in here. Grown from seed. Boy, tell you what. that's about it, man. Just catching y'all up on what's going on, how we're preparing for this first frost. And I hope you guys are having a good day and all is well. So like I always say, I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. It's getting cold and some of these plants can't stand it, planting partners. Keep them warm. Peace. Hey, what's good? So, these are the Brugmansia cuttings that we have. They're about 6 inches long each. Try to be fair as I could be on each cut. And they're about the same size and everything. But these produce a very beautiful, fragrant flower, almost like a perfume. This is the ballerina mix, so they could be white, red, purple. Most of these did come from the white plant though, so I just want to let you know that. But if anybody's available, we got them for sale. And yeah, $10 a piece. If you would like to have these rooted before they sent to you, then it would just be $15. All right, I'll make sure to put in a picture of what the flowers look like. So I appreciate your support, and I look forward to getting some of these into your hand for your homestead and your garden. Take care. Oh yeah, it's silly me, I forgot about my figs, right? They are still out here producing figs and stuff. These were all grown from our cuttings, which we are having a pre-sale on until about the 4th. We may extend that of November 2021. But these still have figs on them, but it's just entirely too cold. So I will be cutting these off and using these figs as houseplants now. This right here is the brown turkey, but we do have the LSU purple, the Marcella, and a couple others available as well. So yep, all because the freeze is coming. Gotta make sure you get right, planting partners. Make sure you get right. Peace.